Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 124th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use before pseudo element. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, h1 tag, h1 tag before now we'll end style tag, head tag. Now we'll start body tag, h1 tag. Now we'll end h1 tag, p tag. So now we'll end p tag. Now we'll end body tag and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 124 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. 124th program. So this is our basic output of how to use before pseudo element, and don't forget to check the tags in description for clear and basic understanding, and please do like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.